Hi everyone, welcome to Rollout Savings. I'm Danielle and I'm here with your Dollar General couponing deals for any day. We have freebies and more, so let's chat about some great filler items and freebies. I want to bring up the filler items so that you know that these items are available to use either Saturday in your 5 off 25s, or if there's something that you need right now and you just can't wait to go to the store on Saturday. These items are great to grab now if you need to stock up on these items. So let's jump right into that and then we'll get into our any day deals. Up first for our filler items, we have the Scott Comfort Plus toilet paper. It's $3.50. You have a $1 off coupon making it $2.50. Then we have $1 off on Palmolive. So if you need dish detergent right now, you can get the $2.75 one for just $1.75. And Ajax also has a $1 off one coupon, making it just $1.50. So that's another good filler item. We also have a $1 off one Speed Stick, which is working on the $2.75 size, making it just $1.75. Then we have $2.50 off Colgate, making this Colgate charcoal toothbrush just 85 cents. We also have $1.50 out of pocket for the Colgate Optic White when you use the $2.50 coupon. Now our freebies. We have the Kinder Bueno, sorry, I'm getting tongue-tied here, for $1.40 and it makes it free. We also have 2 off 2 on the Kotex. Now these some people may not find. I have seen several people comment when we posted earlier about these that they couldn't find them. And our last freebie is the Advanced Warmer. We have the 4 off 1 coupon. It is $4, making it free. So those are some great freebies and filler items. We have this deal here that was in our coupon matchups, and you're going to pay $29.95. You're going to get your Friskies for $19.50, your box litter, your jug litter, and your subtotal is $40.25 using $11 in coupons for $29.25 out of pocket. Now into our any day deals, you can get 3 of the Scott Comfort Plus the Scott paper towels for $13. There is instant savings there. We have $7 for the Airwick Mist Essential Starter Kit and an Advanced Warmer. For $12.90, you can get some Tide Pods and the Downy Rinse. For $11.85, you can get the Gain Rinse, the Gain Sheets, and the Gain Flings. Make sure you are scanning these items to make sure they're attaching to your coupons. For $9.45, you can get your Bounty and your True Living trash bags. For $13.95, you can get your Purex and Suavitel softener. And if you still have 2 coupons showing up for the Purex, you can get 2 jugs of the Purex and pay just $14.90. There are 2 off 1 coupons in my account anyways. For $17.40, you can get your Gain Flings and the Lysol laundry sanitizer. For $10.25, you can get your Arm & Hammer liquid plus some True Living bleach. We also have $8.50 for 2 different packs of toilet paper. You get the Angel Soft and the Cottonelle. And then for $3, you can get your Palmolive and your Ajax. Again, if you need those now. Otherwise, put them into a 5 off 25 later. For $7.75, you can get your Axe body wash. That's 2 of them and 1 of the Speed Stick deodorant. For $7.35, you can get your Irish Spring and a Schick Extreme 3 razor. For just $6.50, you can get the Skintimate Violet razor and a soft soap body wash. For $7, you can get the L'Oreal Elvive shampoo and conditioner, plus those $1 packs of the liners from Kotex. For $4.85, you're going to get that charcoal toothbrush, the Colgate mouthwash, and toothpaste. This food deal for $14.50, you're going to get 2 Doritos and a Pepsi. That's the 18 pack. For $8.90, you're going to get 2 20-ounce Pepsis, 2 of the Nerds candy, and a Bueno. For $8.25, this is a carryover deal. You're going to get your Colgate and your Crest toothpaste. For $5.50, you can get that Oral-B charcoal toothbrush and some Crest toothpaste. Again, these are carryover deals, so if you didn't use the coupons, they're still available. For $6.95, you're going to get your Loves and a Small Spaces. Then we have 2 Pampers for $17. For $3.80, you can get your Jif and your Smucker's jelly, and that's $3.80. Check Ibotta for rebates on these. For $9.35, you can get the Charmin Essentials and the 3-pack of the Kleenex tissues. For $3.60, you can get a Pepsi 1 liter, the Doritos Mini, and 2 Knorr cups. For $10.75, you can get the Children's Advil and the Zarbee's Chest Rub. Again, that's $10.75. Then we have for $7.25, the Robitussin, that's the 10 count, and the Advil for $7.25. For $11.50, you can grab a pack of Huggies diapers and Huggies wipes. Then we have for $8.25 a whole blend shampoo, conditioner, and the Poise liners. For $7.50, you can get 2 Tombstone pizza sticks and 2 Tombstone pizzas. For $4.65, you can get the Mucinex Cold and Flu and the Mucinex Sore Throat Drops. For $9.90, you can get 2 Suave shampoo conditioner and the Suave deodorant plus the Nivea tin. For $8.50, you can get 2 Fructis, that's a shampoo conditioner, and a Gold Bond lotion. For $13, you can get a pack of pull-ups and some Huggies wipes. And that's our last deal. I hope you enjoyed these. Do you like this format? Is there something you'd like me to change about how we do these deals? Leave me a comment, a thumbs up, share, and make sure you're followed so that you get notified when we put out new content. You can find us in all the places you see here, including rolloutsavings.com, and I will link to the website post for this for you as well. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be back soon with the next big deal. Bye, guys.